I'm about to teach you how to jump higher in the high jump in 3 minutes. Then I'm challenging you to beat your PR this week. If you can walk, you can high jump higher. Most people lose height before they leave the ground. Fix that, and you win. Teach. Part 1. The approach. Pick 8 to 10 steps. Beginners, start with 8. Lay 2 marks. Your start mark. A check mark 3 steps from takeoff. Build a smooth J curve. First half is straight, second half arcs toward the bar. Cue. Start relaxed at 70% speed, then accelerate. Hit the curve and lean in. Inside shoulder slightly down. Hips leaning out. Your check mark is sacred. If your foot hits before or past it, reset the mark, not your rhythm. Teach. Part 2. The penultimate and takeoff. Second to last step, longer and lower. Drop your hips a little to load the spring. Last step, quick and strong under your center of mass. Plant the takeoff foot flat to heel, not on the toes. Drive the opposite knee up like you're zipping your hip pocket to your ribs. Arms, swing up and through. Think big up, not at the bar. Head stays neutral, eyes up and past the far standard. Where your eyes go, your body follows. Teach. Part 3. Over the bar, Fosbury flop. As you leave the ground, turn your back to the bar by leading the takeoff side shoulder. Hips first, arch like a rainbow, hips to the sky. When your hips clear, chin to chest. Flick your heels to the sky to clear the feet. Land on your upper back, not your neck. Quick drills you can do today. Wall lean walks, practice curve lean, 10 steps each side. Penultimate pop, 3-step run, long penultimate quick takeoff, 6 reps. Knee drive skips, high A skips with arm swing, 20 meters x3. Back over bar at low height, practice arch and heel flick without a big run up, 8 reps. Box jumps, 3 sets of 5. Focus on stiffness and speed. Tuck jumps, 3 sets of 5. Focus on stiffness and speed. Common fixes. Knocking the bar with your butt? You're not driving hips up. Think up then over, not into the bar. Running flat? Add more curve and inside lean in the last 3-4 steps. Stuttering at takeoff? Commit to the check mark and keep accelerating. Toe planting? Go flat to heel to avoid braking and save your knee. Micro plan. 7 days to a higher PR. Day 1. Find your marks. Record 5 approaches. Day 2. Penultimate plus knee drive drills. Day 3. Light approach jumps at low bar. Focus on form. Day 4. Mobility. Hips, ankles, thoracic spine. Day 5. Full approaches. 6 to 8 quality attempts. Day 6. Rest. Visualize 10 clean jumps. Day 7. PR attempt. 3 build-up jumps. Then go for it. I'm doing this with you. Post your Day 7 jump, tag me, and write your new height. If you beat your PR by 3 centimeters or more, I'll duet my favorites and send a surprise to one of you. Follow for more videos, like the video, and comment below. Let's fly.